Good morning. We are on the way to Mae Salong today. Good adventure, but before we need to feed our belly. Let's go.
Hey you, I saw you from the distance. Hey you.
So we are on our way to Mae Salong and we decided to stop
At the mountain view kitchen.
to have coffee and tea. It's just a very cute place, and the scenery here in the last
place.
15 minutes, wow, countryside, plantations and rivers and just pure beauty.
Open.
Here also it doesn't look bad at all. Opposite.
Hey you, can we talk? Hey you, I think you're my subsistence. Hey you.
Going Mae Salong, 10 kilometers.
Whoa, look at this view, guys. It's amazing feeling.
Road trip!
And now, I lose my own sight. My love is out of my mind. And you, I'm not more than a dream.
Okay, we arrived at our guest house.
Yeah, right? We're gonna leave our bags here and go out for some fun. This is a small room, just enough for sleep.
So wait, can you even hold me? Hey, baby, you are no more than a dream.
Well, so we stopped by a tea plantation at the mountain. Here you can rent a basket and you can harvest the tea for yourself. Here you can make some tea tasting. So Destiny girl started to do her tea tasting. How is it, babe? Thank you. T101 plantation viewpoint. This way. So there's a viewpoint there, but you can walk between the tea. That's okay. Just don't trash the plantation, please. No plastic, no trash. What are you doing? It's because it's so strong. You don't even need to get that close.
Linda, listen, honey.
Listen, Linda, listen.
If you come during the tea harvesting, the workers can show you all the process, from picking to drying and even packing the tea. So that's a good time of the year for sure to come visit this amazing place.
Hey you, it could be more.
Whoa!
如果冬天呢？冬天怎么说啊？英文
Winter.
winter 对吧 ？winter。
So you warm up your hands like this. She's saying, okay, a little bit because it's a winter tea, and then give a good smell of ginseng.
不是桂花，桂花，
It's flower tea.
桂花，
啊，这个是花。
桂花。
啊，这个是 This is flower tea. I'm sorry, winter flower tea.
Hey you, honest. Yeah, it's true. You're all I want.
Lunchtime.
You're all I want. I lose my own sight. It's out of my mind. And I'm more than a dream.
Okay guys, so we seated down here for have a tea tasting. She's preparing our tea. Destiny girl is checking some souvenirs. Nice. Come to Mae Salong, such a beautiful place.
We could be more.
Arrived at this beautiful coffee place to have a tea and the view. Enjoy a coffee here.
Hey, you.
A lot of food and the spices on the way.
I'm wandering slowly.
Mae Salong is amazing, and if you need more information about it, check the link below to our blog, hit the subscribe button and stay tuned.